Hi there, my name is Stefan. I'm gonna review for you today my new Alesis V49 MIDI keyboard, which I purchased a week ago. I already played it a few times and I must say I'm impressed with its quality. You get this feeling when you're playing the keys that they are really good calibrated. It feels like you're playing an old piano. You also get this numpads features, which you can use them for drumming or your electronical music. Also velocity sliders, tracking buttons and volume controllers. You also get with this package for sure the USB cable which goes to your computer and also free software. I must say for 100 euros it's very good quality, very nice design. The only thing I find it bothering is that it doesn't have an on-off power button, which you can use it for shutting down the keyboard, but you can always use your to take off your USB cable or shut down your computer. It's not much trouble, but it should have had this power on off button, and I recommend you trying it for sure, and if you like it, buy it, because I think in my opinion it worth the money. So I recommend you trying it, and all the best. So cheers for now. Hope you enjoyed my video. Take care.